I'm really done with Windows this time, but I can't really go away from this. It's stuck again. It says your device and it's not opening it. There is no way a virus can be installed because this is a fresh operating system. All I did is install Golang, Steam library. That's it. See? It says I'm running low on memory, but we can see the memory is being used like what, 29%. What's the meaning of it? I'm trying to open at least to see what application is taking that much memory. There is nothing open. There is this Chrome tab that's also crashed. This is like chat window. Anyways, I'm still closing it. I'm closing my board as well, if that's causing issues. Closing Steam library, all the background apps, exit, Discord, Epic. These are all like standard applications. I don't think that would cause issues. Now at least this one is open. What is being using my memory? I have 32 gigs. Yeah, that's not how Task Manager looks. This is how it looks, but yeah, the previous one, something might be cranky. I would really love to install a fresh installation. Video editor, they are all programmed to work on Windows. It would take me a ton of time to make them work for Linux. And I'm using like 4 different monitors. I don't know how that works in Linux. Multi-monitor support. Just moving my mouse, but it's not moving. It's showing the same black screen again. To anyone's watching, if I move to Linux, which distro should I pick? And I need like dual monitor. I actually have like 4 monitors. I need 4 monitor support. I need Elgato support, I guess. Yeah, but I don't think that needed for gaming PC. We can skip. What else? I can rewrite my programs to match with Linux, but I'm not sure which operating system to pick or which Linux flavor in specific. I don't want to, but I can see my PC is still turned on. This is now how I didn't do anything, man. I just downloaded a Windows and use the Windows. It's the tool which helps you convert a pen drive into bootable, the media creation tool, something. I didn't even use Rufus. Normally I would use that, but I didn't even use that. The only difference I did is nothing. I installed all the apps. The first thing which didn't work was the network file sharing. That didn't work. That caused me issues. Then I got it fixed. It looks like some driver issue, but I fixed it. Sooner or later I started noticing these small issues. Yesterday I played a game. Luckily nothing happened with the game. It didn't crash or something. A lot of audio disturbance. Where is it coming from? We can see the Windows is back. NVIDIA overlay application error. Is it a GPU issue maybe? I need to run Olama as well. That's really crucial for me. I cannot skip that part. Yeah, just suggest me whatever you guys can. I'll see what I can do. My Windows is back. I didn't really reinstall or restart anything. It's just back. Wonderful experience.